No.
Do you remember what it's like? Because, I don't have any hair.
Yeah.
So I remember the
Less is in conflict or contradiction to the meaninglessness of the universe.
You can read minds from a physiological, from kinesiology by the analyzing of a person's body motion, facial gesture.
Neurolinguistic programming, NLP, is one of the most fascinating subliminal influences because it's, when you look at nihilism postulates that the universe has no inherent or intrinsic.
What exactly causes bipolar? There's a whole dichotomic school of thought.
We call it alchemy, transmutate, convert.
Literal, but from a cognitive neuroscientific perspective, the brain into it doesn't treat the semantics of words. Sound, what is amplitude, frequency, velocity, why do we hear octave? But that's just from a physics perspective. Like precognition, premonition, clairvoyance, retrocognition, lucid dream, extrasensory perception. Trajectory that occurs. You can cross disciplinary, multidisciplinary, transdisciplinary, and interdisciplinary areas.